Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you the new feature from TikTok where you can now schedule your post like this. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card voucher to a random subscriber every week. You just need to subscribe and comment on my last video for this week. The link should appear at the top right. Winner will be announced on Sunday 14th March 2021. So this is only possible on a desktop browser. However, on a mobile phone, you can do part of it via the app as well. To begin with, open your web browser on your computer and go to tiktok.com. Now log into your TikTok account on the website. Click on the upload button at the top right. Here you can upload your video, fill in the caption and hashtags and cover photo. Below all that, you'll see the schedule option. Enable this option and then allow the post to be saved on TikTok server before it is posted. Select your date and your time. Once you're happy with all the selections, then tap on schedule. Now that is how to schedule your post on TikTok. As I mentioned before, you can do part of this on your mobile app as well, apart from setting the time and date for the release of the video. Open your video on TikTok. Then do all the usual bit, adding the text, music and stickers. In the post section, enter in your caption, hashtags and select your cover page. Finally, tap on draft, which will then save your post to the draft section of TikTok. When you're ready to release your video, go into your TikTok profile and from there you can post your video. And there you go, that is how to schedule your post on TikTok. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.